Flood concerns continue in Odisha, with Balasore likely to face a further rise in water levels even as the situation improves in several other districts. Revenue Minister Suresh Pujari said Balasore has been put on alert as water is being released from the Jharkhand catchment. Water levels in the district are expected to rise this evening and increase further by midnight. The district administration has been asked to remain prepared. The minister also said Mayurbhanj, Bhadrak and Jajpur have been alerted. Meanwhile, several locations along the Subarnarekha river are expected to witness rising water levels. At Rajghat, the river is already flowing above the danger mark following a rise in the water level. There is some relief as rainfall across Odisha has decreased over the past 24 hours. Water levels in the Brahmani, Baitarni and Budhabalanga rivers are also receding. However, the flood situation remains active in 68 blocks across 6 districts, with authorities continuing to closely monitor vulnerable areas.
कोनोसी ब्लॉक रे 100 mm वृष्टिपात ही नहीं तेणु वृष्टिपात दृष्टि टिके आमको आश्वस्ति मिली विगत 24 घंटा भितर किंतु झारखंड पटरू जो पानी आसूची सेटा आज संध्या बेलू बालेश्वर रे पुणी जलपतन वृद्धि पाइबार संभावना अच्छी मध्यरात्रि बेलू ये जलपतन परिमाणटा आहरी अधिक हेबो तेणु बालेश्वर जिला को स्वतंत्र भाव में सतर्क कराई एवं आनुषंगिक पदक्षेप नापी बालेश्वर जिला प्रशासन को स्वतंत्र भाव में सूचित कराई तार सांगरे सांगरे मयूरभंज एवं भद्रक जाजपुर एमान को मध्य सतर्क रहिया निर्देश दिया।